How's it? Hang loose. Welcome to Mongoose Max Hawaii, the channel on YouTube. And this is Crypto Corner. Now, a little disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so we are all responsible for our own assets and transactions. So ignore that's a sound effect for something else. See my channel. I've been losing some subscribers. So subscribe, like. It's just that I haven't been doing cryptocurrency for a long time. And so I wanted to stop in and say something important and also give a little run around to look at odwuacoin once again, because I am an odwuacoin owner that makes me part of the Oduwa kingdom. I own a couple of other Bitcoin. I have a little bit of Bitcoin, teeny amount, and some Ethereum. I have a little bit of other just basic cryptocurrency. And that's the thing. What happened? Something happened, and y'all know what it is. It's a big dive in the crypto world, and everyone's running around going, "What happened?" But first, if you look at my channel here, you can just look at some stuff. I mean, my daily vloggy blog is kind of not that, I don't know. And then I have some, what do you call that, Shakespeare stuff. But I just haven't been doing cryptocurrency updates, and so here it is. But if you look up here, odwuacoin homepage, that's right. And if I click on this, I will go, and you will go if you go to my page and click on that, or you can just go to odwuacoin.io and be on Oduwa's homepage. Now, I wanted to show you something here quick. One is that it's updated. Oduwa went to Africa, came back. Well, they went to Africa because of this sponsoring of Wakanda One. It's a huge thing. I don't have enough time to explain it all, but it's introducing businesses and communities and governmental agency stuff about odwuacoin. So it was a big connector. And there's other stuff coming up, and there's big stuff that's been happening in the works. Okay? Well, my main emphasis here in this video is about native blockchain. Native blockchain. So looking at odwuacoins, I haven't seen this for a while. There's so much going on. So it looks all updated and different, some of this. And then, yeah, just don't pump and dump. There's the stuff you can get, the credit card thing here. This bit here is going to be very influential. And in the corner it says, "Hey, welcome to Oduwa. Let me know how I can help." There's customer support. Where do you have customer support in cryptocurrency ever, anywhere? Okay. But, and then you can get a wallet down here, I believe. There's all sorts of stuff and learning about odwuacoin. And you join the staking pool. This is DeFi, is decentralized financing. Okay, so that's just a hint about other stuff. But look up here. I want to show you this. Well, they got that, but Discord. Make sure I can see that. See that Discord right above, right there. Discord. Like, what? Yes, they're on the communication of Discord. Now, if I click on this, wait a minute. Does it work now? I was just playing with this. My friend on the Oduwa team was telling me about Discord, so I got it on my phone, and I'm just like, I'm all thumbs. Not really like typing, but all thumb. I'm not really that good at stuff. That's why I enjoy making videos to educate people at my level. But I'm learning some higher stuff. So you can get on this Discord. You can download it on your cell phone or the smartphone, the one connected to the internet. And this is the group to join on Discord, Oduwa Blockchain Network. So if you just go onto the Oduwa page and click up there in Discord, you can get this invitation. You can have it on you can have Discord, but if I just so accept the invitation, it's opening up Discord. And did you know direct messages? And you see where it has right there. It went to this thing, which is the other page I had sprawled up already, just in case I didn't go there. Whoops. It went to this page on Discord, and it's saying you too can be on. See, because it operates with groups. So this is I'm just literally going. What am I doing? So if I go onto this, what? That's the one. And then you've been invited to join the server. This guy. Okay, so I'm clicking on Discord, clicking on this. So if you see Mongoose Max, that's me, Mongoose Max, trying to figure out what to do. But there's an agreement here. I have to somehow I click on that emoji below. That's the emoji. Okay. Anyways, I click on the agreement, and that's just the thing for the agreement. Anyways, get hooked up onto Discord via the odwuacoin.io webpage, and then there's going to be a lot of. As soon as I find how to click the emoji, it's the emoji. It's that little happy face. Anyways, that's not where I was completely going to, but I wanted to point that out to someone. Oh, that's the emoji right there, is it? No, is it? Somebody wants to be my friend. I don't know. Okay, I'm leaving that space right now. Sorry. I don't want to make this too long, and so therefore I'm going to go to this page, which shows prices on the current value prices on the cryptocurrency space. Inside that space, the market value currently, and today's the 29th of January. It's about 7 p.m. Central Pacific, not Standard Pacific, Hawaii time. So if you look in here, this is like it just shows, well, I don't even know what to call it now. But here, it's showing you the top crypto, right? Bitcoin, Tether, and Ethereum's right here in second. If we look at Bitcoin, it's at $37,000, $38,000. Making sure this is visible. I'm going to put my little peach up here so I can look down. Oh, there it is down there. 38,000, okay? And it's up like 0.5 or 0.45% right now, but this is current right now. So let's go down to the graph. This is always fun because this is what it's been doing in 1 day. Let's look at 7 days. So this is what's doing in 1 week. So right now it's getting it's getting its feet back. But look what's down here. 33,000. Oh my gosh, it went really far down. I don't want to expand that. I want to go up. And let's just go quickly. Here's the year. So from today, January, end of January, it goes back to the end of January last year. And look at this. Okay, so there's a large increase, and down over here in May, June, July, mid-July, it was 30,000. This is last year. Okay, so it goes down as a big dip there. And these two mountains where it's up to 60,000 plus, right? 65,000 almost, right? And that's within the year. So that's what you look at this 1 month, 3 month thing, and it gives you a good overall before you get specific. Because you get to the day one, it's like one little portion of the graph. That's really small. But look at this mountainous dive from November last year, and it started to really go down. It went below this 60K, so it went below I thought it was its resistance, its baseline. Then it's down to 47,000, in December, and it kept going down, 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 down. Now, this could be due to many things, but just like the stock market, my theory is it's more or less like people who are buying and selling. And if you sell a whole bunch, it will go down in price because everyone's competing for the lower price. And so it just goes down, down, supply and demand style. So it was going down. Now it's like, whoa, look at this, hit this really low of $33,000. Oh my gosh. And that was just a couple days ago. So I'm sure at this point, this is where everybody's going, you see, I told you. Cryptocurrency is funny money and it's phony baloney. But look what's going on in the political sense of the world, because politics and economy are connected. So if you look at, this recent news on the Russia and America and its popularity variation for the president, and this stuff that goes on in the world, which makes people want to sell or stock or change where their assets are. But okay, we saw the graph for Bitcoin. Let's look quickly at the graph for Ethereum. Excuse me. And what do we expect here? Let's go down to the graph. Well, there's the 1 day thing. Let's look at that 1 year one. And it's not that bad. It doesn't look that bad. It's not below their thing. Then when you get to the 3 month thing, it has the same characteristic. Okay? It starts going underneath its base level November last year, and then over here it has its lowest dip just a couple days ago. So what does this graph tell us? What does this graph look like? This graph looks a lot like Bitcoin's graph. So Ethereum and Bitcoin, just like Tweedledum and Tweedledee, do the same thing as far as their value on the thing, because they are connected in the blockchain stuff. I mean, it's just okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What this is all about. Let's go for a search. What are you searching for? OWC, which is odwuacoin. And look at odwuacoin. Odwuacoin's at 39 cents per coin. Okay, that looks familiar. Now, odwuacoin isn't completely disconnect from... Oh, look at this is going. It's going in and out of markets. It's not completely disconnect, because when people buy Bitcoin by selling odwuacoin, that's not part of the kingdom rule. You want to hold on to you want to hodl your odwuacoin. But when they do that, the prices go down. So people are switching around quite a lot. And the odwuacoin is going through a lot of things, and it's coming in and out of exchanges. So a lot of these dips it's coming in and out of exchanges. So it's like a not to worry bit. I was told that. Now, let's look at look at this. Oh my gosh. This is the week. It's gotten kind of a dip down. Here's the month. Okay. Wait. Let's look at 3 months. So that mid-mark where Bitcoin and Ethereum was started to go down, there's still some of that here. And mind you, this is like 49 cents is, if it gets below 49 cents, it's red. So it's like it's just a arbitrary marker in a sense. So here it's up to 62 cents. Now it's down 7 cents. It's not much. And so, but it is a little bit of a dip, but it doesn't go down that much. Look at this. It's stabilized, like it stabilizes in that 49, even 47. It stabilizes. I don't even mind about these things. They're actually inconsequential because stuff is going on. Things are getting moved because of, especially keep an eye on the credit card thing. And so when you look at this, it's basically flat. It doesn't look flat, does it? But because this is just, okay, this is one day. Oh, it went down at the end of the day. What did it go down to? Okay, it went down to 39. It went down to 39 cents. And it started at the beginning of the day at 44 cents. So it did go down 5 cents. So this tragic looking graph is a difference between 5 cents American. Not that much. And when you look at this overall, well, year to date, wait. So it was high and it took some dips. So it does take some type of, because people selling out. But here's the point. Odwuacoin is on its own native blockchain. Bitcoin could crash to zero. And then actually, if it did something was really heavy crashing, people would seek better coins other than Bitcoin. And they would buy up other coins, which would actually skyrocket probably Oduwa. But when Bitcoin goes down, other alternate coins, not Bitcoin, is alternate. Other alternates, altcoins, will go down. Bitcoin goes up, other altcoins go up. Odwuacoin is its own native blockchain, so it doesn't have to do that. It can stay the way it's going on, even if others are very variant. And that's the main point I wanted to make today, other than stick with Odwuacoin and hodl. It's only 39 cents. That's nothing. I mean, I thought if you asked me off the bat, and I haven't checked for a while, what's the price of Odwuacoin? It's between 40 and 50 cents. It's right now, it's around there. And that's what it is. It's stable like that. Because one of the goals of Odwuacoin is that it's not a completely volatile coin, because it's going to be used as digital money. So that's all I have for today. Enjoy until next time with cryptocurrency. Hopefully I'll post more crypto corners now that more news is coming in and I have something to talk about. So not to be too long, but aloha. See you till next time. Bye.